Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg cream. Let's dive into this classic New York treat, which surprisingly contains neither eggs nor cream. You'll only need 3 simple ingredients: cold milk, seltzer water, and a good quality chocolate syrup. This refreshing beverage is easy to prepare and perfect for a quick, nostalgic pick-me-up. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you get that iconic frothy head and delicious flavor. Get ready to enjoy a taste of Brooklyn. First, make sure your glass is nice and cold. A chilled glass helps maintain the drink's crispness. Next, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate syrup into the bottom of the glass. Traditionalists often prefer Fox's You-Bet for its authentic flavor. Then, add about 1/3 cup of very cold milk. Whole milk is recommended for the best froth, but you can use other types if you prefer. Stir these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until the syrup is fully dissolved and well combined with the milk. Now for the magic. Slowly pour in about 2/3 cup of ice-cold seltzer water. The key here is to pour it gently but steadily, allowing the carbonation to react with the milk and syrup. As you pour, use a long spoon to stir vigorously from the bottom of the glass, moving up and down. This motion helps create that signature frothy head without overmixing. You want a beautiful, creamy foam on top, so don't stir too aggressively. For the best egg cream experience, always use very cold ingredients. The colder your milk and seltzer, the better the fizz and foam will be. While any chocolate syrup works, many purists insist on Fox's You-Bet for that authentic New York taste. Experiment with the syrup-to-milk ratio to find your perfect sweetness. Remember, the foam is crucial, so pour your seltzer carefully and stir just enough. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.